Okay, so good morning guys and welcome back for another vlog. And so it's July 14 today. It's actually Bastille. So right now I'm going to Tuileries Garden kasi merong air show. So ayun. Hinahabol ko kasi 10:20 yun eh. 10:20 AM mag-start and it's almost 10 now. And medyo paralyzed yung metro. So madami akong sinakyan papunta dito. So ayun. I'm here at the opera area. Ayun yung opera. Actually last night nag fireworks display na sa Eiffel Tower. And yung Bastille today is not the regular Bastille because usually they do it on the same day. But this year the fireworks they do it earlier, a day earlier. They do it yesterday, July 13, to commemorate with 10-year anniversary ng Nice bombing. And today naman, yung kanilang air show ipakita. So I'm going to Tuileries para makakita ng best view on that area. And birthday din pala ni Nanay Deli today. Happy birthday, Nanay. I miss you and I love you so much. God bless always. See you soon! Basically, every Bastille, most roads that's going towards Champs-Élysées are closed. So yung mga metro din are closed on that event. So ayun, medyo lalakad tayo papunta ng ibang lugar para makasakay ng train. So ayun, ang daming tao, ang saya. So, andito na ako sa Louvre. Nagpa-pile up na yung mga tao. Ang dami na. Pero gusto ko dun sa area ng Tuileries. Kaya lang, feeling ko may init. But, let's still see what you can do. So this is really French holiday. So walang pasok. Kasi during 1789, yung mga Bastille prison, sila yung nagkaroon ng revolution. Kaya nauso yung liberty, equality, fraternity, or liberty, equality, and brotherhood dito sa France. And it's really important to them kasi they really fight for their right. French are like that. Okay, so one of the highlights for today's event or sa Bastille Day is yung kanilang military parade which is held in Champs-Élysées. Hindi ko na yung pinanood kasi maaga yon. And yung papanood natin today is yung Patrouille de France or yung kanilang air show wherein yung mga French Aircraft and Space Force acrobatic team is mag-show dito today. Daming tao, see? Inaabangan kasi dito yung red, white, and blue na papakawalan ng mga aircraft date. So, yan. Nakita niyo yan? Yun ulit yung balloon nung Olympics. Nilalabas nila yan every summer for 5 years. So, andyan siya hanggang matapos yung summer. See that pointy thing over there? That's Eiffel Tower. So, ayan. Hanap na lang tayo ng magandang spot. Kasi nasunog na ako dito. Hello. Okay, so I found this spot sa kalagitnaan ng init. So, ayan. hope maganda yung view. Maganda yung nakuha natin. Basically, taas naman yung una natin eh. Mag-air show naman, hindi naman yung mga tao. Yan. May tao. So, mainit ngayon. Ano naman yung pwesto ko. May tubigan dito. Ayan. Pero dahil gusto kong manood, gusto kong mag-vlog, so gawin na natin yan. Ito na yung setup na aking camera isa. So, ayan. Let's go! That's the fly past by Patrouille de France. So yun yung kanilang mga battle aircraft dito sa France. Ayun, nakita niyo yun, ang saya. And just to show you this is the balloon from the Olympics when it was held here in Paris. So they're putting it there for every summer for the next 5 years. So ayan. Ayan yung mga tao. Dami. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. Thank you for coming with me to watch the Fly Past by Patrouille de France for Bastille Day today. So I hope you guys enjoy, and please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one. Bye bye. Oops, that's Opera Garnier. So uwi na tayo. Diyan tayo sasakay. Ciao.